bike's probably got about 4 inches of ice on it here. I just wanted to kind of show you and follow up with how the studs did. It's been a couple weeks since I posted that first one where I put them on. But here it is. They work really good with the carbide on this ice. As you can see by that four-wheeler slipping and sliding, it had nothing on there. But I just kind of, the pattern that I did with these, I didn't put them all over the tires. I got 100 more of these things. I only really wanted them kind of in the center because I'm not really going to go hot rodding around out in the woods. This is just kind of keep me from killing myself when I pull onto snow-filled roads and ice and crap like that. But this is a little bit extreme example. You can see where this kind of cut into the ice here. I wrote it off. I'm just going to kind of show you how these things work on here, and hopefully I won't kill myself. I'm not wearing my helmet. Probably not the best idea, but you know, I'm not really known for my best ideas. But here they are. I'll show you how they kind of work with the four-wheeler. So there it is. I didn't kill myself. I was lucky. Still pretty slippery. You always got to be watching out when you're riding on ice and snow and stuff like that with these things. But these studs will help you out. The front ones, I could probably use a few more. I've only got them here, 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 and they're kind of staggered like that all the way around the front. Yeah, and it's not really the best. I'm probably going to put a few more on there. But for going in a straight line and all of a sudden hitting that patch of slippery shit, it's going to save your ass, that's for sure. So I definitely recommend these things. Anyways, you guys have a good day. I'm going to go out and shoot me a coyote.